With the world's population on the rise, the demand for food, and consequently for farming, is growing massively around the globe. To produce this food, farmers need resources, notably huge amounts of energy for agricultural infrastructure and machinery to function, chemical fertilizers to help crops grow, or pesticides to protect them from harmful plants, insects, or diseases. Unfortunately, these resources do not have a neutral impact on the environment. Energy is still predominantly fossil-based, releasing CO2 into the atmosphere and contributing to pollution and climate change. Chemicals in fertilizers and pesticides impact soil quality and biodiversity, and they also release CO2 into the atmosphere. Farmers therefore face a complex challenge: how to adapt farming practices to be more environmentally sustainable while maintaining efficient food production levels, all while managing the volatility of energy prices. It is therefore crucial to provide them with innovative and competitive solutions for sustainable food production. And this is where VALUE4FARM comes into play. Gathering 14 partners from 10 different European countries, VALUE4FARM is a collaborative EU-funded project aiming to enable farmers across Europe to combine renewable energy generation with sustainable food production on their land. To achieve this goal, VALUE4FARM will implement a wide range of solutions. On the one hand, as an alternative to fossil energy, it will install on-farm sustainable and autonomous energy production systems, including solar technology as well as biogas technology. The energy generated will either be directly used on-site or injected into the grid network. On the other hand, nutrient recovery will substitute the purchase and use of chemical fertilizers. This process will consist of extracting nutrients from agricultural residues and of using them as fertilizer, creating closed nutrient loops on farm level. These VALUE4FARM solutions will enable the substitution of up to 100% of fossil energy and chemical fertilizers currently used on farms, while protecting farmers from the cost fluctuations of fossil fuels. The various value chains created as a result of the VALUE4FARM project will be adapted to different types of European climates and to different exploitation sizes. This will ensure their replicability across the whole continent. Throughout the project, VALUE4FARM's partners will collaborate closely with local farmers to ensure that the project remains aligned to their needs. Additionally, to support the wider European farming community in adopting the VALUE4FARM solutions, an online decision support tool will be made freely available to help farmers choose the right combination of options for their farm. VALUE4FARM will therefore contribute towards building tomorrow's agriculture by providing farmers with the tools they need to produce sustainable food and energy. Learn more on our website and follow us on LinkedIn to follow the project's latest news, progress, and upcoming events.